Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So today we got Operation Work On 7.3 Power Stroke happening. I think there's some air in the coolant system, so once I'm done with my oil change, I'm going to leave this open, running for a little while, see if I can bleed out some of the air. I'm also doing full oil change. Now when I do oil changes, I always remove all the oil from the high pressure oil reservoir, only because that's dirty too, and once you go to start up your truck, that dirty oil is going to end up mixing with your clean oil. So to me, there's no point in not doing that. I also replaced a new wire today. So this is for the AC system. This has been broken since I bought it. The AC has always worked, but this wire has always been broken. This was just cut off and twisted together. I know that's not the correct way to have it, but this is a project truck and there's a lot of stuff I'm just slowly fixing up because I don't have tons of money just to throw at it all at once, unfortunately. So today I already replaced the oil, well, the oil in the reservoir I should say, and I'm getting ready to finish up doing the full oil change. I always put, what's it called? I have it in the house at the moment. The Power Stroke Fix, the arch oil. I always put arch oil every time I go to run this thing. It's mainly just for me as well. I never want to have to worry about not having this truck start up, and it's starting to get cold out. So just to help it out a little bit, figured that always helps me. I always use the Motorcraft oil. It's getting harder and harder to find, but Walmart still sells it at $17 per gallon and a quarter, so I think that's a pretty good deal. And yeah, let's do this. Oh boy, what could that be? Nope. Alright YouTube, back, oil change is done. And today we got the new wire installed, and it is running as good as ever. Nice and clear oil. And it's funny because my old truck used to burn, and it used to the oil used to turn black really fast. I'm guessing that it was just a worn engine, but surprisingly it had way less miles than this truck has. Luckily everything seems to be doing good. I'm gonna walk over here and just knock on the wood for the camera. But yeah, I also kind of bled this out. I think I might be needing a new coolant cap. I was noticing it, I don't know, it seems like an older cap, or like an AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts cap. I prefer to have everything Motorcraft. Even the wire I replaced in here was a Motorcraft wire. That goes for all the wires that I have in here. Been replacing everything with genuine parts from Motorcraft. One or two wires maybe aren't, but the rest are. So yeah, I'm going to call that a success. As always, got to make a little bit of a mess. I even went to Ford for the oil plug, because I always had an aftermarket oil plug on it. This one looks nice. Sorry if this seems like a boring video, but trust me, we got many new videos coming your way. Hasn't been a lot that's been happening though. I actually have work coming up tonight, so I'm gonna have to leave you guys off with this. Stay tuned for updates on everything else though, including the Rovin Baja that I have. Stuff will be getting done with that as well. Yeah, stay tuned.